Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing good and you're all excited for this next level session, which is gonna take you closer to your dream colleges, whatever that might be it an IIT or IISc or ISCR, whatever it is you're aiming for. I'm sure this session is going to be very helpful for that. So people, today we are starting off with our JEE Advanced 2022 series for mathematics, and we are going to do it in style because today I'll be discussing calculus, one of my favorite units in mathematics for 11th and 12th standard. Okay, so it's going to be very interesting. I'm sure you guys are all excited to know what all questions I have brought. But my request to you all is make sure you have your pen and book ready so that you try it along with me. Because that's the whole point, right? I'm very much sure that I can solve all these questions, but it is important that you learn how to tackle them, because that is what will help you when you are alone thinking about how to crack this question in the exam hall. Okay, so shall we get started? Yes, everybody, please let me know in the chat. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yo and a fire, and then we will begin. Kirtana, very good evening, Kirtana. Nice to have you here. Sridhar and Ragadarshini, welcome. Joseph, Kavin, Selva. I'm not sure, Selva. IIT Madras has lots of students, and I knew a lot of people from my batch and maybe a little bit of my senior batch and my junior batch. Okay. So, Andrew Tangaraj, I'm not very sure. Maybe if I see a picture, I'll remember. Vijaya, I am doing much better, Vijaya. I'm happy. I'm excited about this session. So, let's have a great time. IIT and Rohit, welcome, man. Vanakkam, Ragadarshini, nice to see you here. In this session, will we see basics? All king. Of course not, man. This is for JEE Advanced. I'm not going to teach you laddu stuff. It will be difficult. So only if you are prepared, if you are ready for JEE Advanced questions, this session will be enjoyable. Otherwise, you will find it extremely hard. Okay. Melbourne, Vanakkam. Sir, where did you study? Rohit, I studied in Chennai, man. I studied in a school called as Maharishi Vidya Mandir in Chetpet. Okay. So that is a hot spot for all the IIT aspirants because you have Fiji over there. So I studied in Fiji, offline coaching back 10 years back. Okay. Great. I came here to wish you advance happy Raksha Bandhan. Okay, thank you so much, Vijaya. When is Raksha Bandhan, by the way? I am so not in touch with all these small important celebrations that we have, like Friendship Day and all these Raksha Bandhan and all. Sunila, welcome. Nice to see you. Tejaswini, welcome. Nice to have you here. So people, without any further delay, let's get started. So today we are going to start our journey towards the IITs. So that's why this series is called as Road to IITs. Okay. What is the Road to IIT? This series, okay. You watch all the lectures, you will be walking on that road and you will be moving closer to your dream college or dream IIT. And today I have brought the best of calculus, some of the best questions which have come from your calculus in JEE Advanced in the previous years. Okay, and we are going to discuss only such questions which are hot. We are going to discuss only hot questions. What is hot? It is not the hot that you guys use, okay, in your school and in your day-to-day activities. Okay, so hot is higher order thinking skills. So we are going to solve some higher order thinking problems and that will probably enhance your level. So let's get started. Okay, so people, you are currently watching Enlite, the English JEE channel and NEET channel of Vedantu. So if you are liking the content provided by all the teachers here, we have 5 amazing teachers here, isn't it? We have Sindur ma'am, we have Ashima ma'am, we have Shreyas sir, we have Wazim sir, and you have me. So we have a very good team of teachers over here providing some of the best content possible for NEET and JEE in English. So if you are loving it, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the lectures that we plan for you. And also, if you are happy about this lecture, then smash that like button, okay? I know JEE Advanced only a small set of people will watch. But still we want to do it because we want to help you guys. Many of you are asking, sir, you are not teaching for us in YouTube, sir. You are not taking us to higher level. Guys, this is something which you have to realize. JEE Advanced is a very, very tough exam which is written by a small set of students, and those students are generally not in YouTube. But still we wanted to help you because we wanted our students over here to rise up to that level, and you guys can if you believe in yourself and if you work hard. So that is why this series. So please do show your support, share it to people whom you think can find it helpful. Okay, so let's get started, people. Let's begin. The very first question for you all is right on your screen. It is a very nice question. Please try it out. Like I said, I will give you 1 or 2 minutes for trying and then I'll discuss it, because if I directly discuss it, it is just like seeing solution, guys. That's not the whole point, right? You need to try, you need to make mistakes and correct your mistakes when I solve it. So that's how you improve. Got it? So try it, make mistakes, it's fine. Sir, one last question. Did you watch Punni Nadi song? No, Vijaya. No time. Maybe you can send me the link, I'll check it out. That will be easier, because otherwise I have to go and search it in YouTube, which I'm pretty sure I won't do. Okay. But yeah, definitely send me the link, I'll check it out, because I check your messages. You're the one who constantly messages me. But it's good, no worries. Sir, I'm in class 9. Should I study JEE concept to take best IIT college? TGP Army. Yes, man. Unfortunately, in our country, people start studying from 7th standard. Like I said, even I started from 7th standard. So you should start by 9th. It's good. At least take foundation classes and prepare for NTSE. For 9th and 10th students, prepare for NTSE. That will be a good starter for your advanced journey. Okay. Rahul, I will start in Vedantu platform. I already created the course. Like I said, this Monday it will start. The coming Monday. Okay. Vasant, welcome Vasant. Yes, tell me what is your doubt. And people, did anybody solve? Everybody came here to only chit chat. Huh? Nobody is interested in advance, I think. Everybody is like, sir, I came to say hi, sir. Great. Yes, Vijaya, I will check it out. Which is better, VIT Chennai or SSN? Yogesh, VIT has a better global image. So if you are worried about brand value, then I would say VIT. But SSN is also equally good, man, not bad. SSN is more like a state college. VIT has a more of national outlook. So you'll have students from North India, Telangana, Kerala, students from everywhere in VIT. But SSN will be mostly Tamil students. So if you prefer a very mixed set of student community, then I would say VIT is better. And that's important in life, okay? The reason being, when you are with people from different community, you learn to think in different perspective. For example, if you are from Tamil Nadu, if I am from Tamil Nadu, we almost think the same, right? Because our parents have the same culture and they would have imparted the same values to us. But when you meet people from different community, it's very nice. It's a good experience. So if you like that, then VIT is a better choice. Okay, so people, let's try to solve this question. So this is a nice question. I think the answer is not A. I think the answer is 3. How many of you got 3? Nobody got 3, I think. So I think nobody is right. Okay, so the answer is option C, 3, I guess. So I will solve it for you. Please listen carefully. Okay, the first thing you need to do is draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then you need to draw your f of x and g of x function. So f of x is mod x plus 1, which will look like this. Is that correct? How many of you understood this? Mod x plus 1 will look like this. Yup. Mod x plus 1 graph will look like this, my dear boys and girls. It's very, very simple. Super easy and laddu. Got it? So now the next one is x square plus 1. So how does the graph of x square plus 1 look like? I will draw it in green color. So x square plus 1 will look like this. Okay, so that is your x square plus 1 graph. So I have drawn both the graphs. It's very important that you go by graph, okay? It's very, very important. Yes? So now we need to find out h of x. H of x is what? Maximum of f of x and g of x when x is negative. That is, to the left side of origin, I need to take the maximum. So maximum means greater. So I will draw h of x in black color. So it will be greater and it will be greater. So 1 point of non-differentiability because you have a sharp edge. Now for positive x, it is minimum of f of x and g of x. Minimum means the lower function. Lower function means this one and this one. So this is a sharp edge, this is a sharp edge. So 1A, 2A, 3A, 3 sharp edges. So the answer is option C. Was it legendary? Was it lit? It was lit, isn't it? It was amazing, guys. Such a good question. Very easy solution. Don't tell me you don't know the graph of mod x plus 1. LKG students know that. Okay. So x square plus 1 also is a very simple graph. Not that complicated. And maybe this part you would have got confused. Sir, what is this max and min, sir? Max means you choose the greater of the two. Min means you choose the lower of the two. That's it. So that's exactly what I did. Okay. Raj, Shri and Mukesh. Yes, I know, man. I know this year NTA did some mistakes. But I hope they rectify it. We can only wait for their response. But don't get worried. I think they should do something about it. Because many students have some flaws, some mistakes in their response sheet, in their total scores. So they will definitely go through it and correct it. Don't worry about it. Okay. Let's wait for their response. Great. So people, the answer is option C. I hope you liked it. Now with that said, we shall now move forward and march on to the next question. Everybody clear? Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a yo in the chat? Please be very fast, guys. I want to understand if you are all able to follow. If not, let me know. I will try to explain it better or in a slower manner. Ratna Bose, welcome, man. Nice to see you. Monisha, congrats, Monisha. I am so happy for you. Do well in CIT and come out with flying colors. Get into your dream company. Okay. Mokshagna, welcome, man. Great. Mukesh, definitely we are trying to do our best. Arvind sir has done a video on the problems faced by students. In our channel also we will do it. Shreyas sir and I, we are planning to do one for the students. Shreyas sir already did asking for NTA session 3, but that I'm not sure whether it will happen or not, but at least the correction should be done. Okay, we'll help you, don't worry. Okay. So let's move forward, people. The next question for you all is right on your screen. Another JEE Advanced question. It is from the year 2015 and it is from paper 1. Okay, paper 1 was the morning shift. So JEE Advanced is 2 papers, guys. I hope you all know that. It's usually from 9 to 12 and 2 to 5. Okay, that's how it works. So 9 to 12 is the first paper. In that, this question was asked. Please try to solve it, guys. Everybody. Hello, Govinda Krishnan, superb man. Balaji, fantastic. Ram Charan, nice to see you, Ram Charan. Tejaswini, fantastic. Welcome, nice to see you. Great. Yes, Vasan Selvam, I have done a session on graph transformation. It's very, very important. Go check it out. It's actually a very good session which I took on YouTube. Sridhar says option C. Okay, we will check it, Sridhar. You might be right. Sir, your favorite element in the periodic table? No such favorite element, but yeah. Let me think about it. Nadia Mendes, very good evening. Welcome. Tarun Sai, good evening, man. So people, what is the answer? Only Sridhar has answered. What about others? Others, are you solving it? Please try to solve it, guys. Don't just talk. Come on. In this session, there should be very little chat. More of solving, more of silence. Okay. It's a high quality question solving session. So let your brain do the talking and only answer you type it in chat, okay? Let's not spam it. Great. Ratnabose, under my content, when you log into Vedantu, you have my content. So when you go there, you'll have my test. So there you will see the test, your attempt, the right solution, everything will be there. Okay. Mokshit, awesome man. Congrats. Answer is 2. So everybody says 2. Dharmateja says 0. Okay, we'll check it, guys. We'll check it. It's a very good question. Okay. So first of all, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the integral and write it. I'm going to write it as -1 to 0, then 0 to 1, then 1 to root 2, and then root 2 to 2. Is that okay? Are you all happy with that? Or root 2 to root 3, I guess, right? And then only root 3. And then root 3 to 2. Is that all right? Are you all happy with it? Yes? Is that cool? Fantastic. So people, now -1 to 0 means x lies between -1 to 0. So if x lies between -1 to 0, then we know box of x will be what? Box of x will be -1. But what do we have on the inside? We have x into f of x square. F of x square means it will lie between 0 to 1. Because if x lies between 0 to 1 or -1 to 0, x square will be from 0 to 1. If x square is between 0 to 1, it will fall in this category. So box of 0 to 1 will be 0. So it will be x into 0 divided by 2 plus x plus 1. So x lies between -1 to 0. So x plus 1 will lie between 0 to 1. So that will also be 0. So the first integral is gone. Now the second integral, x into f of x square. X square means 0 to 1 again. So that will be 0 divided by 2 plus f of x plus 1. So x lies between 0 to 1. So x plus 1 will lie between 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, f of x plus 1 will be between 1 to 2. So box of 1 to 2 will be 1. Okay. So now this is also 0 because you have x into 0. Now the third one, 1 to root 2. So 1 to root 2 means x square will be between 1 to 2. So if x square is between 1 to 2, box of that will be 1. So x into 1 by 2 plus f of x plus 1. So x plus 1 will be between what? X plus 1 will be between 2 to, you will have what? 2 to 2.4, right? So 2 to 2.4 means this will be the interval because f of x plus 1 lies between 2 to 2.4. So it will lie in this interval, so it will be 0. So you will have 0 over here. Got it? Are you all clear? Everybody? So now we'll move to the next one. The next one is what? Root 2 to root 3. So x square will be between 2 to 3. If x square is between 2 to 3, it will be 0, right? Okay. So again this is 0. And the last one will also be 0, I guess. Okay. So the last one is what? Root 3 to 2. So root 3 to 2, if you have, x square will be between 3 to 4. So x square is greater than 3. So you'll have again 0 on the top. So this will also be 0. So the only one left out is 1 to root 2 x by 2. So your I is nothing but 1 to root 2 x by 2. So I is equal to x square by 4 from 1 to root 2. So you will have 4i is equal to root 2 square minus 1 square, which is 1. So 4i minus 1 is equal to 0. So the answer is option A. Was it ultimate? It was so good, right? It was so good. I hope you all liked it. Guys, it's such a fantastic question. So yeah, please make a note of it. The answer is option A, which is 0. That is the right answer. If all of you are clear, then we shall move forward. Sir, when will you start physics second lecture in Tamil channel? Kuralamudan, tomorrow units and dimensions will happen for sure. Tomorrow evening, so please be there. Sir, do you know Telugu? Tejaswini, I know a little bit. I can understand completely, but I can talk a little bit only. Gokulnath, welcome man, nice to see you here. Great, great. So people, everybody done? Are you all happy with this? So shall I move forward? Pushan, what is the doubt, man? I don't understand the first line of the question. So f is a function given by this definition. This is greatest integer function. Okay, got it. So now if f is defined like that, then how do you find out this integral's value is what they're asking. Okay, so for that what I do is I split the limits of my integral, Bhushan. I split the limits integral, okay, by using properties of definite integral. What is the property which I am using? We all know integral a to b f of x dx can be written as a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx, right? So that is the property which I am trying to exploit while solving this question. Got it? Is that clear? Great. Thank you, Mokshit. I am glad you are enjoying it. Jana, yes man, I am from Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil properly. We have a Tamil channel as well. Okay. Splitting you understood. You understood why I am splitting? I am splitting because I want to evaluate this. Because Pushan, when you try to solve this integral, this will create problem, man. You don't know what is f of x, right? So that time you need to understand the f of x function to know how to split the integral. So if you understood how to split the integral, it's a piece of cake. It's a very easy question. Got it? Very good, very good. Hello Shruti, very good evening. Prayash, I've explained it again, man. Please pull the video back and re-watch it. Watch every step, pause it, try to solve it on your own, then try to understand, okay? So that is how you can completely grasp whatever I have shared here. Okay, even if I repeat it now quickly, you may not be able to follow. Instead, pull the video back, pause the screen and then watch it and solve it. Got it? Very good. So yeah, with that people, let's move forward. How do you split? I split depending on your greatest integer function of x. Okay. So our x goes from -1 to 2, right? So our x goes from -1 to 2. So I split it as -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to √2, then √2 to √3, then √3 to 2. Because x square is there, na? So you see x square will be 0 to 1, x square will be 0 to 1, x square will be 1 to 2, x square will be 2 to 3, x square will be 3 to 4. So everything is moving in integral fashion. One integral increase is there, right? So that is the idea for splitting. So that idea I get because I know what is greatest integer function. Understood? That is the way we solve it. Clear? Rahul, it will start on Monday, man. The Tamil maths course which I am taking in Vedantu will start Monday. Please wait for it. Got it? Superb. So with that said, people, let's go to the next question. Guys, we have to be quicker. At this rate, we won't even solve 5-6 questions. Okay, I want to at least solve some 10 questions. So please try to help me. You guys have to give me some speed. Only then I can cover lots. Otherwise, we will do only some 3-4 questions and you will learn nothing out of it. Great, great, great. Very good. So people, everybody try to solve it. It's a nice question. This one I think everybody should be able to do. It is not a tough question, guys. Trust me on that. It just was asked in JEE Advanced, but it is a very easy question. So please don't tell me, sir, it's a very tough question, sir, I cannot solve it. Hello? That means you didn't even open the question. Try it, try it. This one, I need a lot of people to answer correctly. Shiva, this is the English channel, man. There are lots of students from all over the country, so I'll talk in English. But there is a Tamil channel, Shiva. You can check it out. Vedantu Master. Yes, our Master movie inspired. Okay, go check it out. There I talk only in Tamil. Very good, very good. So Ratna Bose, if solutions are not given, that means they would have conducted test discussion sessions. So go check that test discussion session. Maybe that will help you. Okay. Very good. Venkateshan, it will be sorted, man. Please wait. Okay. And you can directly mail NTA also with whatever problem you have. They will rectify, man. Come on. They know it's the life of a student. So they will not play with it. So please believe in the system. And I'm sure NTA will do justice to all of you guys in case there is a problem. Okay. Only if there is an issue. I hope whatever issue you faced is genuine. If you feel it is correct, mail them. They will help you. Don't worry about it. Got it? Very good. So people, shall we solve this question? Very good. Who is that? Pushan. Fantastic, Pushan. You are absolutely right. Sridhar. Very good, Sridhar. You are also correct, man. I am happy you answered it well. Dharmateja is also right. Then what about the others? Guys, come on. Everybody please solve and let me know what you think is the answer. Conceal. Small mistake. It's not 11, it's 9. Okay. Tejaswini. Very good, Tejaswini. Perfect. Laddu Singh is also right. So let's check how to solve this, guys. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to take 9x plus 3 tan inverse of x as t. Okay. So this is what we call as substitution method. So I'm applying an indefinite integration method to solve a definite integral question. Okay. So when I do this, I have to take the derivative, right? So if I take the derivative, I'll get 9 plus 3 by 1 plus x squared dx is equal to dt. Is that all right? Are you all happy with it? So when I simplify it, what will I get? I'll get 12 plus 9x squared by 1 plus x squared dx. When I simplify by taking LCM, that is what I'll get, isn't it? So that is exactly what I have here. So that will become dt. That will become dt. Isn't that right? So it will become dt integral e power t. Look at how easy it became. Now I have to change the limits. When x is 0, my t will also be 0. When x is 1, I'll have 9 plus 3 tan inverse of 1. So 9 plus 3 pi by 4. So that's my upper limit. Because when you substitute people, the limit will also change. Do not forget that. Okay. Whenever you substitute something as t, please make sure you change the limit also, or at least keep it in mind to reverse it back. Okay. Don't put the same limit, you will end up getting 0. Got it? So that is a very common mistake which people make. So now e power t integral is just e power t, and I go all the way from 0 to 9 plus 3 pi by 4. Got it? So now you can open it, you can simplify it and get your answer. Yeah? So can you all complete it? It's a very easy one, right? So e to the power 9 plus 3 pi by 4 minus e to the power 0, which is 1, equal to alpha. So I'll get 1 plus alpha is equal to e to the power 9 plus 3 pi by 4. So take log on both sides. ln of 1 plus alpha is equal to 9 plus 3 pi by 4. So ln of 1 plus alpha minus 3 pi by 4 will be equal to 9. That is how you do it. I hope you all liked it. Are you all clear? Very good. Hari. Yes, Hari, you have to be careful. I told na. So substitution, whenever you do, make sure you change the limit or reverse it back to x. Either one of the two you have to do. If you don't do both, then you're going to go wrong for sure. Okay. Great. So shall we move forward? Yup. Fantastic, fantastic. Great. So with that, we shall move to the next question, people. The next question is right on your screen over here from differential equation. This is also a relatively easy question which was asked in JEE Advanced 2013. So yeah, please try it out, guys. Everybody. Very good, Pushan. That's awesome, man. Vasant, I am not sure, man. It should be there. Don't worry. You can message me on Telegram. I will help you out. Okay. Arun, thank you so much, Arun. Welcome. Nice to see you here. Great, great, great. Good, Hari. Okay, now everybody try to solve this, guys. This is a very easy question. It's probably of board exam level only, but yeah, it was asked in advance. So like I said, even in JEE Advanced, there will be few questions which are doable, which you should identify and crack. So that is called smart work, because like I said, to crack JEE Advanced, you just need 50% to get a very good college with a decent branch. So 50% can be obtained if you look out for these easy questions. If you scan and skim through the paper, you might end up solving 20-30% just by observation, just by looking through them. Got it? So don't forget to do that when you get the exam paper, especially those who are right now in the 10,000, 20,000 range. Got it? Very good. So people, what is the answer? Sridhar, fantastic, man. That's absolutely right. Shashank Singh, welcome Shashank. Long time. Srinivas, very good evening. Mastermind also says option A. I think you are correct, man. Absolutely. Fantastic job. Great. Yes, Shashank, this is differential equation only. Few questions are as easy as mains. Absolutely, you have to search for them. The only thing is people think it's difficult. Advanced questions are well decorated. So it looks difficult, but when you just crack it, when you enter into the first step, you will realize that it's actually pretty simple. Okay. So shall we try to solve this, people, everybody? Hello, Roman Reigns. Very good evening, man. Welcome. So people, let's try to do it. So what do we have? The slope of the curve. What do you mean by slope of curve? Slope of curve is nothing but dy by dx. That is equal to y by x plus secant y by x. Is that right? Everybody cool with that? So I have dy by dx is equal to y by x. So I can use homogeneous differential equation. So I'll take y by x as v. So dy by dx will become v plus x dv by dx. That is equal to what? Y by x is v and secant y by x is secant v. So v and v will get cancelled. So that's it. It becomes a laddu question now. Are you all happy? So I have x dv by dx is equal to secant v. So I'll get dv by secant v is equal to dx by x. Now integrate both sides and get your answer. As simple as that. It's so easy. Very good. Fantastic, people. Learn, addict. There's no harm in trying, man. You can go and try it. It's okay. At least it will be an experience for you. So don't just give up. Rather, prepare a little bit for it. Go give the exam. Who knows how it will go, man. Don't give up. Okay. Hari, fantastic, Hari. Conceal is also right. Fantastic. Great job, people. So now, how do we complete it? I hope all of you can do it from here. Is it all right? So from here, I think you guys can solve it, right? It's not a very tough question. Yes? So secant v is what? 1 by secant v is cos v. Cos v integral is sin v. So you have sin v is equal to dx by x integral is ln of x plus c. So that is your answer, and we will get what? Sin of y by x is equal to ln x plus c. So now we know at 1, x equal to 1, y is pi by 6. So when x is 1, y is pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 when x is 1. So c is half. So I'll put c as half. So that will be option A. Fantastico. Absolutely right. Is it really JEE Advanced question? Yes, man. I've given you the year. You can check it out. I've given you the year. I've given you which paper also. It's paper 1. Okay. Because JEE Advanced, like I said, we have 2 papers per year. Paper 1 and paper 2. It's a 6-hour exam. It's very taxing on the body. Physically also you should be very fit. Okay, because sitting for 6 hours and solving it is not that easy, right? You should be ready for it. You should eat good food. So you have to practice all that. That's why mock tests are so important. That's what we do in the Ekalavya batches. In the Ekalavya batches that we train these amazing students for JEE Advanced, we train them for 6-hour exam, different paper pattern, negative marking fully, negative marking in unexpected areas, matrix matches. So we train them for the worst of the paper so that they are mentally ready for the exam. So if you are a serious JEE Advanced aspirant, if you got more than 96 percentile, guys, please join the Ekalavya batch. It's completely free of cost. And like I said, the link to join it is below in the description of the video. Okay, for those who are looking to join Ekalavya batch. Did you solve this question when you wrote JEE Advanced? Yes, guys, this was very simple. No, this was a CBSE level question. Of course, I did it. Okay, so with that, people, shall we move on to the next one? This is legendary. This is epic, ultra pro max question. Let's see how many of you can solve this. Guys, this question is something which is wonderful. I enjoy discussing this question, but yeah, like I always say, I'll give you guys 2 minutes to think about it. So first you all try it out, then I will discuss it. Got it? Go for it. Fantastic. Great. Suhaila, don't worry. I will get it done. I was not well for last 2-3 days. I was not able to take all my sessions. But don't worry. I will try to catch up in the coming days. Okay? We'll have a lot of sessions for you guys. Don't worry. Thank you, Arun. Great. Praveen, 92 percentile. General category, which NIT will I get? Praveen, you may not get the top NITs, man. You have to look for other options and you have to write advanced. Maybe that will help you get something. Because 92 percentile means you are around 80,000 rank. 80,000 rank, you may not get the top NITs. The top NITs will be already taken by all the other people. So I would advise you to look out for other options. Okay, don't rely on this. If you get something out of this, then great. But don't rely on this. Okay. So people, are you all done? Elumalai, yes. Tell me, what is your doubt? Thank you, Suhaila. Definitely we'll meet again. Okay. So Sridhar says option D. Guys, this is multiple choice question. This is more than one correct. Okay, we are not doing JEE Mains. JEE Mains is only single correct. So here we are solving JEE Advanced questions now. So we have more than one option correct also. So you can have multiple options, right? So you have to check them and then tell me. Very good. What are the two options that are right? Sridhar, no Sridhar, that is not right. Everybody please check it. Okay, come on people. I want all of you to go for it. Sharmi, no Sharmi, D is not right. So guys, let's try to solve it. So first of all, so G dash of 2, I can differentiate this. So when I differentiate this, what will I get? G dash of f of x into f dash of x is equal to 1. Correct now? Everybody happy? So now I want G dash of 2. That means f of x should be 2. When will f of x be 2? F of 0 is 2 now. So I'll put x as 0. Put x as 0. So I'll get G dash of 2 is equal to 1 by f dash of 0. So 1 by f dash of 0 is what? 3x square plus 3. So that will be equal to 1 by 3. So this is wrong. That is how you check it. A option is wrong. Roman Reigns, A option is wrong, man. Did you all get it? Are you all happy? Yes. Everybody cool with it? So shall I move forward? Done? So now we'll check B option. We'll go one by one. There's no hurry, guys. Come on. Why are you rushing? Let's do it slowly. Okay, there's no rush. Let's just do it properly. Got it? All good? Fantastic, fantastic people. So first option is wrong. That's what I've derived. I hope all of you are clear. What did I do and how did I do it? I differentiated this. So g of f of x equal to x, I differentiated. So I got g dash of f of x into f dash of x by chain rule is equal to 1, and g dash of f of x is equal to 1 by f dash of x. I want g dash of 2. That means f of x has to be 2. So for f of x to be 2, x should be 0. So that's what I substituted, and I got g dash of 2 to be 1 by 3, which is not option A. So option A is wrong. Now coming to option B, I want h dash of 1. So for that, I need to simplify this, correct? So we have h of g of x is equal to x. Got it? Everybody happy with that? So this is what I have, correct? Now what I'm going to do is, in the place of x, I'm going to put f of x. Sir, what sir? How can you think of this substitution? Yes, you can think of this, my dear. It is not that difficult. I'll tell you how. Okay. So when I put x as f of x, so what happens is h of g of f of x. So now what is g of f of? G of f of is whatever is on the inside. So when you have g of f, whatever you have on the inside, that will remain. So g of f, whatever you have on the inside, that will remain. Now again I have g of f. G of f means whatever you have on the inside, that will remain. So it becomes just h of x. And right side x will now become what? f of x. Was it legendary? This step is what I call as magic. This is the magic step for this question. If you liked it, please let me know in the chat with a fire, with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we shall move forward. Come on people, everybody, please go for it. Quick. Yes, hurry. You can say f and g are inverse of each other. Yep, you are right, because the composition gives you x. That's the property of inverse functions. Good. Did you all like it? Sridhar, very good Sridhar, you are right. B and C are correct. Samyak Anand, you are also correct Samyak. Absolutely right. Good job. Well done. Okay. So people, this is how you solve it. I hope you all liked it. So now I'm not yet done with the question. We want h dash of 1, right? So I just got h of x. So how do you get h dash? I have to differentiate it. So when I differentiate it, what do I get? H dash of x is equal to f dash of f of x into f dash of x. Now put x as 1. So I'll get h dash of 1 equal to f dash of f of 1. F of 1 is 1 plus 3 plus 2, 6 into f dash of 1. F dash of 1 is what? 3x square plus 3. So that will be 6. So it will be 6 into f dash of 6 will be 3x square plus 3. So 3 into 6 square plus 3. So that will be 111. So 111 into 6 will be 666. So B is correct. 111 into 6 will be 666. So B option is absolutely right. Did you all get it? Are you all happy? Now h of 0. H of 0 means you put x as 0. So it will be f of 0. F of 0 is 2. F of 0 is 2. So f of 2 is what? F of 2 is 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 2 6 plus 2. So 8 plus 6 plus 2 is 16. That's correct. So C option is also right. Did you all like it? Now the last one, you guys can finish it off. Please try it out, my dear boys and girls. Everybody, please try it out. Quick. Fantastic. So what is h of g of x? H of g of x, how much will that be? Everybody. So till here, I hope all of you have got it. It's very nice question. Nah? This is why JEE Advanced is JEE Advanced. Okay. This was a proper nice question from JEE Advanced. I hope you all liked it. Okay. Now let's look at the last question. So I know that h of x is equal to f of x. Now we want h of g of 3. So I will put f of x over here. Okay, I will put f of x in the place of x. So if I get, I am doing x as f of x, okay, only one. So it will become h of g of f of x. That's what I'll get, okay. That is equal to f of x because I am replacing x with f of x. I am replacing x with f of x. Why am I doing that? I will get h of g of f. G of f is x, right? So it will become h of g of x is equal to f of x. So h of g of 3 is equal to f of 3. So what is f of 3? 3 cube plus 3 into 3 plus 2, which is 38. Is 38 and 36 same? No. 38 and 36 is not same. So therefore, option D is not correct. So only B and C are right. I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed this question. This was fabulous, isn't it? This was fabulous. So everybody clear? Shall we move forward? Are you all happy with it? Yep. Cool. So yeah, then we'll move forward, guys. That's about it. Any doubts? Afzal, yes Afzal, B and C, both options are right. This is the JEE Advanced question, so you can have more than one option right also. Okay, very good. Great. Johnny, thank you so much, man. Okay, so with that, let's move to the next question. Everybody please try to solve it. Now, moving on to the next question, people, everyone, try to solve it. It's a very, very interesting one. So what do we have here? We have a function f from 0 to 2, that's your domain, and real numbers is your codomain, and it's a function which is continuous in this interval, and it is differentiable in the interval 0 to 2 with f of 0 as 1. Now, they have given capital F of x as integral 0 to x square f of root t dt. Okay, so if f dash of x is equal to small f dash of x for all x within this interval, then what is f of 2? Then what is f of 2? Please try to solve it, everybody. Great, great, great. Darinish, maybe man, maybe, but it's not worth it, Darinish. Like old NITs are better, newer NITs, that too the newest ones with okay branch is not good, man. Instead, go for some private college nearby your house, nearby your locality. It's not worth it, man. See guys, if you get a very new NIT with a very bad branch, it's better to go for something nearby your house for computer science. Okay, please. I know it's very hard to accept that. I know it might be offending some of your feelings, but that's the truth, guys, and you will thank me maybe later in future. Okay, so for example, don't get me wrong, I don't have anything against ceramic engineering or mining engineering, but these are all slightly lower branches. So if you are doing ceramic engineering, mining engineering from a very new NIT, from a very ordinary NIT, then it's no point, guys. What is the worth of it? Okay, it's better you do something what you want. Just for the brand, you don't have to do it. If you are passionate about it, then it's fine. I can understand. You can do well in life. You can come up because you love it. If you love mining and if you love ceramic, then go for it. Of course, they are great. Even Sundar Pichai is a metallurgical engineer. Okay. And even I did naval architecture, but I got into IIT Madras and I was okay with the brand. I wanted IIT Madras and I got it. So when you go for brand, make sure you get something decent. Okay, just don't go for the brand blindly. That is my advice. Okay. Great. What are good branches? Good branches are always first computer science. Computer science is going to be the future for next 5 to 10 years. So you can close your eyes and go for it wherever you are. Second would be electrical and electronics, communication, ECE and all that. Third would be your mechanical, chemical, aerospace and all that. And fourth would be your biotech. Biotech abroad is very good. In India, not much. But yeah, biotech abroad is a very good field. If you are interested, you can do that as well. And later comes all these ceramic, mining, textile, and naval architecture. And naval architecture, again, scope in India is very low, guys, because only some 4 or 5 companies hire. And only in Middle East you can get good jobs, that also with experience. Okay. So my advice is, if you get computer science somewhere, be happy, celebrate it, go and join it. Okay. Great. So people, let's try to solve this. So what do we have here? F dash of x. So I need to differentiate both my LHS and RHS. So when I differentiate my LHS, what will I get? I'll get f dash of x is equal to, right hand side when I differentiate, what do you get? You have to use Newton-Leibniz formula. Do you remember that? Do you remember Newton-Leibniz formula? If you don't, nothing can be done, guys. Please make sure you remember all that. Okay, so you'll have root of x square, which will be x only, because x is 0 to 2, and into derivative of x square is 2x minus 0, because this is a constant. So I will get f dash of x is equal to this, and we know f dash of x is equal to f dash of x. So I'll get f dash of x small is equal to f of x into 2x. So I'll get dy by dx is equal to 2xy. So I'll get dy by y is equal to 2x dx. So I'll get ln y is equal to x square plus c. I'll get y is equal to e to the power x square plus c. Now we know f of 0 is 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. So y is 1 when x is 0. So c should also be 0. So if c is 0, I will get the function as y equal to e power x square. So I got the function. What is f of x? F of x is equal to e to the power x square. So I got the function. Now you guys can find out what is f of 2. Are you all happy? Yup. Yes, everybody. So now you guys can figure it out. So you'll have what? Integral e to the power root t square from 0 to 2 square. So that is your f of 2. Correct now? So that's going to be e to the power t from 0 to 4. So it's going to be e to the power 4 minus 1. That's your answer, which is option B. So all those who got B, you are absolutely right. NIT Trichy Mining versus NIT Srinagar CSE. Amongst these two, I would choose NIT Srinagar CSE, but still, NIT Srinagar is a very far off place from wherever you are. So if that is okay with you, you can go for it. But look for other options also. Like you would have written all the other exams, right? VIT, SRM, and NIT, and then you have BITS, you have IITs. So compare all of it and then decide. Is Thapar CSE worth it? Rani, I told you already, Thapar is a very good university. Please go for it. It's okay. It's very good. Thapar is one of the best in Punjab. Okay. So if you got CSE there, then please go for it. If that's your best option. Pushan is in Srinagar. Okay, Pushan, then you can go for Srinagar CSE if you got that. Great. Learn Addict Tamil. Can I develop these kind of thinking? You can try, man. See, nothing is certain, but at least give it a try. No, why are you negative in the start itself? And chemistry, you can try to capitalize. Chemistry is doable. Okay. So yeah, with that, people, let's move forward to the next question. Another ultra legendary question. Everybody try it out. This is epic. These are all epic questions which came in your JEE Advanced previous years. So I am just taking the recent years papers, last 10 years. So yeah, these you cannot afford to miss out. So please try it out, guys. Everybody. I got 70K ranked in JEE. Which NIT will I get? Mukesh, you will not be getting old NITs, man. You might get new NITs which are okayish. So if you are okay with new NIT, you can go for it. But old NITs, I don't think for 70K you will get. May not be a good branch. Great, great, great. 4K natural world. I am not too sure, man. How many days has it been? If it has been more than 2 weeks, then you have to continue the batch only. Maybe you can try mailing vcar@vedantu.com. Okay. Great. Afzal, I know, man, these are all epic questions created by teachers, professors in IITs. So every year one IIT will conduct the exam. So those professors belonging to that college will create these questions as a team. So it's a very nice process. It's a very nice exam, JEE Advanced. Okay. So what is the answer? Sridhar, you are right, Sridhar. Hitesh, no, man, it's not correct. A is not right, B is the right answer. Okay. NIT Rourkela's ECE will be very good, man. Why are you leaving that? NIT Rourkela ECE is also very good. You can try for that, Hitesh. So people, let's try to solve this. Everybody listen carefully. Everybody, please listen carefully. I'll teach you how to solve it. So now, I will start off from here, okay? So, first of all, guys, as limit extends to 1, both of these will tend to 0. How many of you can visualize that? As x tends to 1, my numerator and denominator both will tend to 0. How? Because when I put x as 1, it will become -1 to 1, and we have odd function. Odd function between -1 to 1 will become 0. So that's why numerator is 0. Same way over here. This is even and this is odd. So even into odd will be odd only. So again, -1 to 1 will be 0. So both my numerator and denominator are tending to 0. So I can apply L'Hopital. So L'Hopital says what? Differentiate your numerator, differentiate your denominator, apply the same limit. Over. You do that, you will get the answer. That's it. Only one cracking point, one breakage you need to do. That's it. After that, it's easy. Got it? Very good, very good. Who will teach for droppers batch? Sai, we have some legendary teachers, man. Like I said, for math, we have Ziad sir. For physics, we have Gagandeep sir. You can check it out. The link is given below in the description. The live batch is starting August 8th, I guess. I think 1 or 2 days back it started. So please enroll today if you are interested to drop with Vedantu. Okay. So people, what is the answer? The answer, we will try to figure it out. So differentiate your numerator. F dash of x. F dash of x is what? You will get f of x. That's it. Yup. So then your denominator will be what? Your denominator will be x into f of x, and that is equal to 1 by 14. Is that all right, people? And you can keep the modulus, and then you can put x as 1. So if I put x as 1, I'll get f of 1 by 1 into modulus of f of 1 is equal to 1 by 14. F of 1 is what? F of 1 is half. So I'll get half divided by modulus of f of half is equal to 1 by 14. So I'll get modulus of f of half is equal to 7. So I'll get plus or minus 7. Only plus 7 is there in the option. So that's my answer. Minus 7 it cannot be because they said it vanishes exactly at one point. So if you take f of half as minus 7, then it will have more than 1 0, which is not possible according to the question. Okay, so that is why we take f of half to be plus 7 and not minus 7. Did you all like it? Are you all happy? Everybody? Learn addict. Definitely, man, all the best. Don't worry. You can try gate also. Yes, that's a good option. You can do that. How much rank required for electrical engineering in IIT Madras? Afzal, electrical engineering is one of the top branches in Madras. So I would say at least top 400, top 300 you should get. So top 300 in JEE Advanced is a good task. It's not an easy task. Okay. Did you all like it? King for entertainment. What happened, man? You're not able to follow. Maria, the coming year, maybe yes, we will try, but this year it's difficult. This year I think it's already over. Great. I got 88 percentile and got 32,264 rank in OBC NCL. Will I get at least NIT? Abhinav, again doubtful, man. Even if you get, you may not get the top NITs. Not NIT Trichy, Surathkal, Warangal. They may be difficult to get in. Okay. So people, are you all done? Shall we move forward? Great. Very good. So with that, let me go on to the next question. Another easy question, guys. This is a very easy question. It was asked in JEE Advanced 2015, paper 2. So it was a easy question which was asked. So guys, JEE Advanced, not all questions are very difficult. Not all questions require you to think beyond the box or outside the box. Sometimes you just have to stick to your basics and you might land in the right answer. Okay, so please make sure you try it, get it right. It's not difficult. Okay, Jay Ajinkya, that's awesome, man. Congrats to your brother. Happy for him. Good. Afzal, that's very true. Jay Ajinkya, I'm not sure, man, but both are good. Both are good ranks. So don't worry, you will get top NITs. Yes, learn addict. Definitely do write it. Don't give it up. Which is best for biotech, IIT or abroad studies? I would definitely say abroad, but abroad biotech is going to be very expensive, Hari. So if you're okay with that, if you can afford it, then go for it. It will pay off in the future because you are hearing, right? COVID, this virus, that virus. Every day one new virus is coming. So biotech is going to be the next big thing of the future, like your computer science, like your artificial intelligence and space travel and all that. Your biotech is also going to dominate. Okay, but biotech in India, I think the resources are not great. It's good. We have good teachers, good researchers, but resources are definitely better abroad. Okay, that's the truth. So you study in abroad, do some good research, then come back and help India improve. Okay. Benny, welcome Benny, nice to see you. Sridhar says ABC. Very good, Sridhar. Sridhar is the one who is solving all the questions sincerely. Very good job, man. I'm happy that you're doing it. Okay, so yes, people, I think the answer is ABC. Sridhar is absolutely right. D is wrong. Okay, so shall we discuss it? Very good, Benny. Very good. Ananya, yes, C option is correct, but this is more than one option correct, Ananya. So you have three questions right. Okay. I have told this concept before, is it? Okay. We'll try to solve it. It's a very easy one. So guys, whenever your f dash is asked, you need to differentiate this, right? So let's differentiate this. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to f of x plus x f dash of x. So f dash of 1 is equal to f of 1 plus 1 into f dash of 1. So we know f of 1 is 0 and f dash of 1 we know is negative, right? F dash of anything is negative in this interval. So 1 lies in this interval. So f dash of 1 is less than 0. So small f dash of 1 is also less than 0. So A option is right. I have just got that. A option is right. Now let's go for B option. F of 2. What is F of 2? F of 2 is equal to 2 times of capital F of 2. Now people, if you look at it carefully, capital F of 1 is 0, capital F of 1 is 0, and it is a decreasing function. It is a decreasing function after 1 by 2. So that means after 1 by 2 itself it's decreasing. So if decreasing means it is like this. So F of 2 will be less than 0. So F of 2 is negative. So 2 into something negative will be negative. So F of 2 is also negative. So option B is also right. Okay. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Very good. This is a very easy question. Now the last one. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to capital F of x plus x f dash of x, right? So now you have to find out whether it is not 0 for any x belonging to this interval. So like I said, for capital X, for capital F of x, at 1 it is 0 and after that it goes down. So it is always negative in this interval, and this is positive and this is negative. So negative plus negative will be negative. So f dash of x is always negative. So if it is always negative in this interval, how can it be equal to 0? It cannot be equal to 0. So A, B, C are absolutely right. I hope you guys liked it. Did you all enjoy it? Was it awesome? Very good. Jagadish, 120 is good, man, not bad. 120 is good, but if you want a good IIT, you need to get 160, 170. Try to improve by 30, 40 marks. You can show that improvement in chemistry. Okay, in chemistry, inorganic and organic, you can try to push your score, and also maths and physics, try to look out for easy questions. Okay, so Jagadish, 120 is good, but it won't get you the top IITs. So if you want top IITs, you need to push your score to probably 160, 170. Okay, so did you all like it? People, are you all happy? This was a nice question, isn't it? Exactly, Shri Krishnan. I am glad you are all enjoying it. So with that said, people, let's go to the next question. Again, a fabulous question. Please try to solve it. Okay, Jagdish, you left entire organic. Organic is a very scoring area, man. Great. Can we study 12th portion in 4 months? Mukil, absolutely Mukil. Very easy. For JEE mains, it's very easy, but for JEE Advanced, yeah, 4 months may not be very much enough. Bharat, I'm doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Welcome, welcome. So people, are you all done? Shall I discuss this question? Can we do it and move forward? Great. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take it as capital F of x. Capital F of x is integral 0 to x t square by 1 plus t power 4 dt minus 2x plus 1. So we need to find the number of distinct roots of this. Okay, so what is capital F of 0? Capital F of 0 is how much? It's going to be 1. Correct? Capital F of 0 is 1, and capital F of 1 is how much? Capital F of 1 is 0 to 1 t square by 1 plus t power 4 dt minus 2 into 1 plus 1. So that's going to be minus 1. Now people, this value can maximum be half. Is that right? Yup. When t is 1, it will be equal to half. So that's the maximum value. So the maximum value of this integral, the upper bound can be half. So half minus 1 is minus half. So f of 1 is negative. Okay, it is going to be less than minus half. Is that right? Did you all like it, people? Are you all clear? What did I do? I said t square by 1 plus t power 4 is less than 1 by 2. Then I integrated from 0 to 1. Then I integrated from 0 to 1 with dt and here dt. So when I do that, what will I get? I'll get our integral is less than equal to half. So I put this integral value as half and I got my f of 1 to be lesser than minus half. Okay. So now what I can do is, did you all understand it till here? Everybody happy? So I hope till here you're all happy. This is a very nice observation. So what I got is f of 0 is 1 and f of 1 is negative. It is negative. So I got one positive value, one negative value, and we know it is a continuous and differentiable function. Now let's check the derivative. The derivative will be what? The derivative will be x square by 1 plus x power 4 minus 2. Now obviously this is negative because again this maximum value is half. So f dash of x is negative, it's a decreasing function. So if it is a decreasing function with f of 0 as 1 and f of 1 as negative, then that will obviously be only one root. So the answer is option B. Legendary, na? So good. So good, right? Did you love it? Come on guys, let me know in the chat with some fire, with some yo and a thumbs up so that we can move forward. Yes? Everybody cool with this? Great, great, great. Fantastic. So yeah, with that we'll move forward guys. We'll go to the next one. Yup. Great. So the next question is over here. Please try to solve it. We will probably stop with this, okay? The other questions I'll share it to you in the group. You guys can try it out. Everybody, please try to complete it. It's a very, very interesting question. Okay. Advanced exam pattern. Nagarani, it changes every year. Okay, advanced exam pattern we cannot tell. Only when you go to the exam you will know. Okay. But usually it is going to contain single correct, more than one correct, matrix match, numericals. So everything it will include. Usually 18 to 20 questions in one subject, one paper. 18 to 20 questions in one subject, one paper. So you'll have physics 18 to 20 questions, maths 18 to 20, chemistry 18 to 20 in one paper. And similarly second paper also you'll have around the same. Okay. And paper 1 and paper 2 also pattern might be different. So you have to be ready for anything. Great. So people, shall we try to solve this? Everybody, please, come on guys, try to crack it. It's not that difficult. It is doable. Okay. So first, what do? So can we try to differentiate it? So if I do f dash of x, what will I get? I'll get upper limit inside. So e to the power minus x plus 1 by x by x into 1 minus lower limit e to the power minus 1 by x plus x by 1 by x into derivative of lower limit. So minus and minus will become plus, 1x and 1x and cancel. So it will become same thing. So f dash of x will be what? Twice of e to the power minus of x plus 1 by x by x. Now where are we looking at? We are looking at x positive. So we are looking at x positive. That means denominator is positive and exponential functions are always positive. So f dash of x is always positive. It is monotonically increasing. Exponential functions are always positive. Denominator is always positive because our domain is 0 to infinity. And hence your f dash of x will be positive. That means it is monotonically increasing. Got it? Yup. So option A is obviously right. Option B is obviously wrong. Now we'll have to check C and D options. Okay. So now what is f of 1 by x? F of 1 by x means the limit alone will change. So this will become 1 by 1 by x. This will become 1 by x. So the inside quantity is going to be the same. That we don't change, right? That's t. We change only x. So now x to 1 by x, if I reverse it, I can bring a negative sign. If I reverse it, I can bring a negative sign. Now add both of them. F of x plus f of 1 by x. If I add both of them, I'll get 0. So that is what is given here. So C is also correct. Same way, your D option also will be correct. You guys check it out. Okay? You guys can check it out. Got it? Are you all clear? So same way, your D option also will be correct. That I will leave it to you as a homework. So guys, with that we are done. I hope you all enjoy the session. Like I said, in case you are serious about JEE Advanced, please check out the Ekalavya batch in Vedantu. It is completely free of cost. Okay. So Ekalavya batch in Vedantu, the link is over here. Can you see? Register for Ekalavya 2022. So click on that. Register for Ekalavya batch, because guys, you have 20 days left. You can still bring about a good change. I think 18 days left, right? So if you want to improve massively, having sessions every day, that too intense sessions with the best students of the country, then this should be the place where you have to be in. Okay? So please make sure you guys go and check it out. If you are serious about JEE Advanced, if you got more than 96 percentile. And for those who are planning to repeat next year, if you want to study for next year with Vedantu, check out our courses. There are lots of good courses, good teachers in Vedantu for very reasonable prices. Don't miss this opportunity. If you are interested, go check it out and join whichever you are passionate or interested in. Okay. Yes, legend. Learn addict. Yes, man, that happens always. When teachers solve, it's always simple, but I know it's difficult when you try it on your own, but practice. That's all I can say. Practice so that it becomes easy. Should we write both the papers in advance? Ravi Teja, of course, man. You have to write both the papers. You have to write both paper 1 and paper 2 because you get combined result. Okay. Great. Superb. So with that, people, will wind up. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you liked it, comment down below and let us know if you want more such sessions, such cool problem solving sessions of JEE Advanced, because only if you are interested, if you are finding it helpful, we will also be motivated to do more such sessions for physics and chemistry as well. So don't forget to comment down and also like this video, share it to your friends. And with that, people, we'll wind up. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care, all the very best and love you all. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.